Hello YouTube, welcome back. Mags Gaff, Magnet Fishing. Got a little something to show you, as you can see. New hoodie. Kind of a little bit gangster there with the hood. Well impressed with the print. Got a nice little editor sponsor there, Power Guy Gamer. And then got the little girl one. Obviously going to get the other kids theirs as well. Don't they look cute? Look at the size of that. Aww. Wow. Well impressed with that. Lionheart print did really well with them. Definitely going to order the others as well. Stick with them. Right, back to the important stuff. The finds. I've been promising you guys a restoration video. The things we fish at the canal, obviously a lot of it's scrap. But there's some really nice tools in there, so I'm going to do this little video for you now and try and restore them up. There's some hammerheads. I want to try and make some new handles, see how we get on, and we'll see what you think to them. See you soon. Right, let's start this restoration. So we've got spanner, some old pliers, very poorly hammer, flat hammerhead. Now I've cut the handle for this one, and then I've made a shorter one for this one. Why am I trying to hit it with the smallest hammer ever? And there we have it, guys. Smaller hammer. We've got the longer one. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next one.